friendship ang Bijilis ha. Kung kalabag, isang pumula mo. Kalamay ka naman dyan bag mo.
Kalamay nga to. Wajalabang.
Mak, siya may try pa doon.
Wajalabang.
Bijilis eh.
Baon na makalamay nga. Muli na. Bunyi tayo na mas kayo. Pati t-shirt yan yung bag ko. Tingin na yun. Ang mamalasan.
Malawin niyo ba?
Yan, so guys, we're going to buffet tonight. Yeah, with the birthday celebrant with her Jay. My friendship, happy birthday. Yeah, with Christian and Anakshi. Ang dalawa magsyuputin. Mag-hi ka muna sa Blacking Vlog. Where are we going, friendship?
We go outside first.
Outside first, huh? No, we have to go to buffet directly. Yan, so punta kami ng Chalong Buffet, guys. Going to Chalong Buffet. Like, 15 minutes, guys. Yeah. Ating driver. Magbu-buffet kami. Yan, so yeah. Guys, ipapakita namin kung ano ang mga meron sa Thai buffet. Ang tinatawag nila ng Thai buffet or mukata. Diba, friendship? Si Christian ang aking driver. Ang aking anak siya nandoon. Ang birthday celebrant. So, yeah. See you later! Yeah, so dito na kami sa Chalong Buffet. Yan, siya mga pwede mong kainin sis. Unlimited yan. Yung mga dessert. Tayo dessert ka anak na Jay. Tatabi ko. Mga ice cream pa siya. Ayan. Ayan. So yung mga pagkain dito sa buffet. Magsawa kayo guys. Refill ng refill. Anak siya ibuksan mo nga. Nagbablog ako. Kaya yung mga ihaw-ihaw na vegetables, tsaka ano ba itis anis? Pork anis. Yung mga yan.
No, isda. Dory.
First time mo anak siya?
No, it's my second time here at Chalong.
Really?
Kata.
Yeah, second time lang daw niya. Sobrang daming guys. Mga kumakain. Salary day. But nagkataon na birthday ni Jay. Yung mga yan. Ayan si Christian. Sponsorship. Ayan yung dalawa. Kumukuha na sila guys. Self-service dito guys. Kumuha ka lang hanggat gaya mo. So pero dapat kailangan mong ubusin kasi sayang, nakakahiya. Although na unlimited buffet, but you have to eat everything you get, guys. Ayan si Christian kumukuha ng kanyang malaking tilapia, di ba friendship? Ayan guys, meron silang fried rice, tapos meron ding french fries, at chicken nuggets, and of course ang sausage guys. And of course guys, may kasama ding fresh fruit like watermelon, pineapple guys, and may mga fresh na gulay like kangkong, petchay guys, at meron ding cabbage, yan. Sobrang healthy guys, and mga Thai glass noodles, meron ding seaweeds, ang aking paboritong black seaweeds guys, and of course guys, meron ding fresh eggs, at saka may tofu guys, and ay friendship, yan, kumuha ng sandamakmak. Friendship, kuha ka ng glass noodles, masarap yan. Yan, so guys, ayan, nakakuha na kami ng aming ihaw. Ready na kayo guys. Ayan, yan yung mga kinuha namin. Sobrang dami ko friendship. May ihawan pa guys. Ayan, sa halagang 299 baht. Yan, unlimited buffet na siya. Tapos may drinks pa guys. So, kumain ka hanggat magsawa ka. Ayan. Happy birthday friendship. Ilang taon ka na friendship? Ito. Apat. Yan, may prutas, may gulay, may sushi, may squid, bacon, pork, mga meat, maraming meat, saka mga gulay-gulay guys. Tapos ikaw na lang mag-ihaw-ihaw. Sa Thailand, tinatawag nilang mukata or Thai buffet. Yan yung pwede nyong ihaw-ihaw. Masarap to guys. Yan, nag-iihaw rin si Christian. May mga shells. Ano yan? Sabihin mo, anak siya.
Hindi ko alam ito.
Ito doon. Shells. Basta shells. Hipon, river prawn. Yan, yun lang yan. Anak siya, handa ka na sa pagkain.
Sila yung maghanda para sa akin.
Yan. Mga barbecue, guys. Ayan. Magsawa ka hanggat ilang oras, guys, ang buffet.
Ha?
Friendship, kaya mo ubusin yan, friendship.
Wala namang kain eh.
Yan.
Kutsaraban. Sabaw.
Ubusin natin ito lahat, friendship na.
Ito.
May fish din. Fish at saka drinks. Anong kinuha mong drinks? Panta, Panta ko rin, Lipton at saka soft drink. Pepsi. Pepsi. Okay, guys. Lamon na, guys.
Item na kumi, yun na yan.
Yan, imagine kung gaano karaming mga customer nila everyday. Especially ngayon kasi salary day, guys. Payday. Si friendship, lalagyan ng pusit.
Hindi pa ako nag-rento na nahulog. Buhay pa siya. Kamayin mo
Yun
na
din.
lang.
Ayan, so ayan na, guys. Iniihaw na. May sabaw yan, guys. Masarap yung sabaw. Ang laking isda. Tapos may sausawan din kaming Thai sauce. Anong tawag nito, friendship? Seafood sauce. Ano friendship niya? Seafood sauce. Sarap to. Partner siya sa mga ganitong barbecue. Ihaw.
Baka hindi kami magkakasin.
Ano na, friendship? Friendship. Yan, kain na. Paborito ko to. Hindi kinakain sa atin to, ano?
Kinakain ko yan. Yan yung tenga ng daga, sabi nila. Tenga ng daga. Sarap yan. Sarap ka, manggatos.
Sarap. So, cheers! Cheers, friendship forever! Cheers! Friendship, happy birthday!
Bossy!
Yeah, friendship, anong sabi mo kay Jay? Ang bago mong friendship forever.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Anak she.
Happy birthday, Mamshi! Mamshi 2.0. Ayan na. Fresh from Dubai.
Is this your first time in Phuket?
No, sorry. This is my second time.
And it's your second home? Third home?
Third home.
Third home in Thailand. Okay. Happy birthday, friendship! Happy birthday, friendship! Alis ka tanta, i-video din na yun. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
day, friendship! Happy birthday, one more. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, friendship! Happy birthday to you!
Ulit.
Ulit daw. Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay. Happy birthday, friendship. Make a wish. Yeah, thank you so much for the friendship and God bless you, friendship forever.
Happy birthday!
So once again, happy birthday, Jay. Yeah, I hope you like our surprise, small surprise, and for the celebration.
Thank you, guys.
God bless you, sis.
Thank you.
Yeah, God bless you. Yan, and I hope, and more blessings to come.
Balang ira.
More blessings to come, sis.
Oh my God!
Dahil,
Super filter.
dahil birthday mo nga,
Ay, happy birthday to me.
dahil birthday mo nga,
Plastikan na to.
diba, Plastikan 101 na naman tayo. Yan, so, yan ang aming vlog for her birthday. 18th birthday. Yan. Dito sa Phuket, Thailand. And all the way from Dubai, celebration of the birthday girl, her J, here in Phuket, Thailand. Ang location nito, Chalong Buffet. Okay, bye guys! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Puti na mukha ko.
Salamat sa filter!
Chef, ito kami. Sa loob mo na eh.
Uy,
Hindi ka
to Tangilis.
Hindi ka gamitan na.
Hindi kayo, busy kayo.
Matinggira. May tissue eh. Dadako na Gilis. May tissue.
Ang kapag may tissue, andun ka.
Pamalakasan tanay ni. Ay, Gilis.
Pasok sa banga. Happy birthday, friendship! Happy birthday, friendship! Happy birthday, friendship! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, her J. Okay, happy birthday, friendship forever. Yan. Thank you. God bless your
Na tayo sa loob.
kindness heart, good heart. Bless your heart, friendship forever.
Bumili ka na?